Hi, okay, this is going to be the number 7 level badge photograph I'm going to be using. I wanted to have a little bit more of a cocksure look to my face, like it's a prize worth having. The number 7 is being presented like it's a trophy more than anything else, and so it's going to be the gold level one, and so my face wanted to represent that. So I'm going to sketch this out, and this is what you're going to see now, the rendering of the sketch stage. Okay, so this is the sketch I ended up doing from the photograph that you just saw. You'll see that I've done exactly the same thing that I normally do, which is to enlarge the head slightly, mess around with the size of the nose and the eyes a little bit, and pull the chin down a little bit so it makes it look a little bit bigger, and pull out my jaws. Also, I've extended the ears to stick out a little bit. People have said my ears stick out, whether they do or not, I don't know. But anyway, this is the actual final level badge sketch, and I'm going to just do the rendering out now, which is what you're going to see next. Okay.